From time to time, I always get asked questions about what is my background. I try to keep the channel about the technology and not about me. I don't want to be a YouTube star, and I've tried to keep my identity to myself. But I keep getting asked the question, so I'm going to do this one video. So anytime anybody asks, I'll just point them to this video and have done with it. All right. So in kindergarten, I told my mother I was going to be a scientist. And ever since then, I have not wavered. I got a chemistry set. I did a bunch of experiments. I made rockets. Got into ham radio. Went to college and I got a degree in math and physics. Ever since then, I've been in Silicon Valley, and I've had jobs with the title test engineer, R&D engineer, project leader, R&D manager, and director. I did electronics for about 10 years, so my electronic knowledge is quite old. And then I moved into optics. The last 25 years of my career, I had the title scientist. So there you go, Mom, I made it. I retired at age 58 and started doing consulting, created a little business of my own and did consulting in the areas of optics and image science until fully retiring. And I now play in the garage. I do YouTube videos. I enjoy electronics because it was one of my first loves and I can go back to it. It's like an old friend. My goal is to encourage others to explore science and technology and have as much fun as I did. People will want to know what did I do? Who did I work for? I've mentioned a couple companies I've worked for. I worked for Hewlett Packard for quite a few years. I worked for WaveTech and other companies. So I worked on electro-optic test equipment when I was young, testing of LEDs and optocouplers, shaft encoders, fiber optics. You couldn't buy the test equipment, so we designed all our own in-house. I moved to do barcode reader design, which was quite new back in the day. At WaveTech, I did microwave power meters and scalar network analyzers. So optics, my optics design consists of things for cameras, scanners, printers, head-mounted displays. I worked quite a while in the mobile phone area. I did a lot of fundamental research on white LEDs. In my consulting days, I consulted a lot in the fields of image and color science for displays and cameras, and optical designs for cameras and medical equipment and things like that. I'm named inventor on 63 patents, although I don't get any money from them. But I hope I'm encouraging people to go out there, have fun with technology, have fun with electronics, and hope I can contribute.